Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to make clips on OBS. Okay, so first things first, you're going to have to download the Stream Deck application here. And if you have the Stream Deck on your desk, cool. Okay, so I already have this already set up, and I have it in a folder called OBS Life, and these are all GIFs, by the way. So every single button that I have on my Stream Deck, they are GIFs. And if you want to see a video, please let me know in the comments, and I will show you. Let me go back here, and I'll show you the other ones. All right, yep, just see that, which I can show you here. All right, so then you are going to go to the bottom here. You're going to go to OBS Studio, and then one of them you're going to have replay buffer. Okay, and if you don't know what replay buffer is basically the way to create a clip from the video or from whatever that you're broadcasting on OBS. Okay, so you have replay buffer here. You're going to drop it here. Okay, and then once you have it enabled into your OBS, once you hit replay buffer, it's going to do that clip, okay? And then it's going to start it replay buffer. And then so to save the screenshot, once you set the replay buffer, you're going to drag the replay buffer and drop it over here. And that is when you save it. So the matter of seconds that you have going on OBS is when it's going to clip. And we went over this on my replay on how to make clip like Twitch-like clips on OBS. So this is all kind of attached. So I show you how to create a clip in the OBS video, and this is how you create a replay buffer clip from the OBS Stream Deck or from the Elgato Stream Deck here. So yeah, so that is how you do it from the Stream Deck to simulate it on the OBS. So you don't have to manually click replay buffer. It will do it from the actual Stream Deck with these two buttons here. And if you don't have this, which you should already, because I think it comes pre-installed, I'm going to put the link in the description below. But there is an OBS project site that has all the plugins for OBS. I'm going to put that in the link in the description below. And you're going to search up here. You're going to search up OBS. And once you search up OBS, it should show the plugins here. Hold on one second. Disregard that last thing. I do not see it here. So it's definitely pre-installed to the application here. But if you have any other questions, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.